Jared Goff. Jared Goff is an American football player playing quarterback for the Detroit Lions in the NFL. When it comes to fishy names, I remember there was an NFL player named Ha Ha Clinton Dix, which I think we can all agree it's kind of an odd name. And I also remember there was this one college player whose name was actually Timothy McVeigh. Yeah, that's right. Timothy fucking McVeigh. Goff's name is interesting. Using the sounds like rule of the Djinz Code, say his full name just slightly faster and repeatedly over and over. What does it sound like to you? To me, it sounds like...
Oh.